Hey YouTube, it's Habs Collector 13. I hope you guys are having a great day. In today's video, I have the brand new, just released 2020-21 Upper Deck Series 1 hobby box. I am super excited to open this box. This is one of my favorite products of the year. I also have a overtime pack. So as you can see, it doesn't have the plastic. It's just because I just took it off, but it's brand new. And yeah, so little booklet inside for Upper Deck Synergy, and just whatever. So I believe there's 24 packs per box, 8 cards per pack. We are definitely looking for that Alexis Lafreniere Young Guns and Young Guns canvas. So let's get right into it. So you get 6 Young Guns, I believe 6 UD canvas, 4 UD portraits, and there's a new card insert. You get Dazzlers. It's called Dazzlers. I'm gonna open the overtime pack first. So really cool look this year for overtime. We have Tanner Pearson, Oscar Sundqvist, Jamie Oleksiak Blue Parallel, and a Center of Excellence of Pierre-Luc Dubois. Very nice. Alright, let's get into opening these packs, and yeah, so good luck for me, and thank you everybody for tuning in the video. Alright, so first base card of Nick Suzuki. They look pretty cool. So we have Suzuki, Provorov, we have Ristolainen, Noel Acciari, and we have a debut dates of Joel Farabi with the Philadelphia Flyers. And the rest is base. There's already people that opened Series 1 retail in the United States. Like they got it at Walmart. So I've seen some breaks already on YouTube. And here we go. So Kevin Hayes, Connor McDavid, Philip Danault, we have Semyon Varlamov, Noah Hannafin, Drew Doughty, we have Rasmus Dahlin, and we have a UD portraits of Roman Josi. Very cool. Alright, third pack. Here we go. So last week I opened 25 packs of Tim Hortons hockey cards. The video is going to be in the description, or it's gonna pop right here if you guys want to check it out. So Rocco Grimaldi, we have Zach Rowensky, Elias Lindholm, Zaitsev, JP Pajot, Christian Dvorak, Carter Hart, and our first Young Guns is Lucas Carlson with the Chicago Blackhawks. Very cool card. Nice design for the Young Guns this year. And I believe there's also a French version of Young Guns because of the 30th anniversary of Upper Deck. I think it's a short print, but not sure. Alright, we have PK Subban, we have Dylan Larkin, Samuel Girard, Zach Hyman, and a UD canvas of John Carlson. And the rest is base. We don't want to cut the card. Okay, here we go. So Chris Letang, we have Matthew Tkachuk, Nick Foligno, Jared Spurgeon. I believe we have another young gun. Mikko Koskinen. We have what's his name? Vincent Trocheck. And our second young guns is LA Kings. Is it going to be Gabe Vilardi? Young guns with LA Kings. Very cool. Second young guns, we still have 4 more, and if we're lucky, we have a UD canvas. Hopefully Lafreniere canvas and Lafreniere young guns in the same box. That would be a crazy crazy thing. Charlie Coyle, Connor Murphy. Oh, nice. Upper Deck game jerseys of Frederick Anderson. So I'm going to be giving this card away. If you would like to win this card, you just have to like this video and you're going to be entered to win this UD game jersey, and I will be announcing the winner in my next video. So nice Frederick Anderson jersey. Matt Duchene, Ekblad, and Jonas Donskoy. Alright, here we go. Jason Zucker, Jonathan Bernier, we have Nikita Zaitsev, and we have Alex DeBrincat, base, Kalle Yarncroc, and a Young Guns of Avalanche, Martin Kaut. It's basically all the rookies they advertise on Upper Deck MVP that I'm pulling out right now, so not a good sign, but we never know. So Brady Shea, we have Oscar Klefbom, Ricard Raquel, and a UD canvas of Ryan Getzlaff, Miles Wood, Nielsen, Grubauer, and yes, Kasperi Kapanen. Here we go. Almost done the first pile. Alright. We have Gusev, Quinn Hughes, Jacob Trouba, and a Ryan McLeod. Young Guns with the Edmonton Oilers. Very cool. And the rest is base. These packs are super hard to open, so that's why I use the scissors. So, Joe Pavelski, Alex Iafallo, Nick Leddy, Barkov, Ryan Suter. I believe we have something, no? Elvis Merzingis, all base pack. Yeah, first all base pack of the break. Here we go. Alright, Peter Mrazek, Brendan Gallagher, and a predominant insert of Brady Tkachuk. Really nice. Tomasz Tatar. We have Travis Einheim, Michael Backlund, and Barkov. Here we go, guys. Second pile. We still have 3 more Young Guns to pull. Alright, Jack Eichel, Matthew Perreault, and a Jason Robertson. UD Portraits rookies. I believe his brother is Nick Robertson with the Maple Leafs. Correct me if I'm wrong. Here we go. So we have a first checklist of Panarin and Nathan MacKinnon. Oh yes, sir. Vitaly Kravtsov, UD Canvas Young Guns. Oh yeah. That's a sick card with the Rangers. Nice. So that means we're gonna hit 3 more Young Guns and in total it's gonna be 7. Always cool to pull an extra Young Guns in the box. Alright, Connor Garland, Philip Zadina, Teuvo Teravainen, Jussi Saros, and we have a NHL Worldwide insert of Oliver Ekman-Larsson. This is the back. Not a big fan of this card, but it's an okay insert. Alright, we have I believe a Dazzler. So John Tavares, John Gibson, David Perron, we have Mark Scheifele, JT Miller, and Kyle Palmieri, we have Ilya Samsonov, and we have a Steven Stamkos Dazzlers insert. I believe you get one in every box. This one is the blue version. I believe you get the green version in the retail boxes from Walmart or whatever. Alright, still 2 more Young Guns to go. So Evander Kane, we have Igor Shesterkin, John Moore, we have Anders Lee, we have Blake Lizotte, Radulov, Zibanejad, and our Young Guns, Vegas Golden Knights, Peyton Krebs. Not bad, not bad. Very cool guy. Not that I've met him, but I think he played with Team Canada, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so I believe we still have 1 more Young Guns to go. Hopefully it's going to be Lafreniere. So Brock Besser, Alex Tuck, Victor Hedman, Bobby Ryan, and a UD Portraits of Tuukka Rask. And the rest is base. 6 packs to go. So Nathan McKinnon, base, and a nice rookie retrospective of Dominic Kubalik. 1st in goals and 3rd in points. Nice. Very cool. And the rest is base. 5 packs to go. 1 more Young Guns to pull. Alright, John Klingberg, we have Dmitry Orlov, and a Braden Shen. Predominant rookie, insert of Matt Barzal. Here we go. Don't forget to like this video for a chance to win the Frederick Anderson jersey card. I'm going to be announcing the winner in the next video. Alright, so Perenko, Kempe, we have John Marino. Oh, yes, sir! Young Guns exclusives of Pavel Francouz. So here we go, guys. I think it's our final Young Guns. Unless it doesn't count, the exclusive counts as a bonus. But it's numbered 68 out of 100. Very nice. The rest is base. 4 packs left. Okay, so base. Oh my gosh, no way! 8 Young Guns in 1 box. Artem Zagidulin, Young Guns. Wow. So this is what I was expecting, this as a bonus, and what I have no idea what to imagine. So our 8th Young Guns of the box, and we still got 3 more packs. I don't believe we can get another one, but literally not everything can happen. Anything can happen. Wow. Alright, so Nazem Kadri, Nikolai Ehlers, and a Max Domi UD Portraits. The rest is base. 2 more packs left. Wow, I am still in shock. 8 Young Guns, 1 exclusive, and 1 UD Canvas Young Guns. Alright, here we go. So, Blake Coleman, Johansson, Strome, Adam Fox, and we have a Leon Draisaitl NHL Worldwide. Final pack. Alright, so Seguin, Point, Gensel, Alex Ovechkin, and a UD Canvas of Mark Giordano. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like this video for your chance to win a Frederick Anderson jersey card. And I will see you next week for a brand new video. Peace.